I just feel like do whatever is good for you. When I say invest in your body, health is wealth. Invest in your health. Like, make sure you're healthy. If you're not working out, then you eating right or taking your vitamins or just doing what you got to do to stay healthy. That's the real wealth.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is Emma D'Or. Let's get started on this amazing juice that makes your immunity stronger and keeps you healthy. We will start with carrots, great for restoring the liver and rich source of vitamin A. One and a half a lemon for the great benefits of preventing colds and flu, natural inflammatory, and stress reduction. Some root ginger adds a little spice to the taste, improves blood circulation, and promotes detoxification. A half of jalapeno to add some heat to fight infections and because it contains so much vitamin C. Some clementines for great antioxidants and adds a great taste to this juice. A little bit of lime to boost the immune system and increase iron absorption, keeping the blood healthy. Fresh mint to improve the cold symptoms and open your lungs. I forgot I also added turmeric root, which is great for combating inflammation and so many other benefits. Look at this beautiful healthy bowl. I'm going to be using a juicer. Everyone should invest in a juicer. It just makes your life easier and it's great for your juicing journey. Just put everything little by little and create your juice. Now let's get juicy. Et voila, this is the result. Enjoy a healthy, tasty drink. I hope you enjoy this mix and benefit from it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Imagine.